You didn't come this far just to have silver hair. You came this far to finally become the woman you were always meant to be. This is the level that everybody waits for. They can't wait to get here. Either they're waiting for it to grow out, they're waiting for it to turn more white and silver, but the glow up is deeper than looking good. Trust me, it's way deeper than that. Because the real glow up, the real deal glow up, is when you finally feel at home in yourself. Man, that's deep right there. Let's just pause for that, right? This is a stage where something clicks and you like, okay, I think I'm there. But it's not just with your hair. It's not just about hair. It's with you. Your presence changes. Your confidence changes. We can't stop right there. And then your whole energy changes. The way you step out into the world changes, because now you're not standing in the mirror confused anymore, any longer. You figured out some things, and I want to applaud you for that, right? You know what styles work for you, what products work for your gray hair, what products your gray hair likes. You now know what cut might flatter your face, and you get some of this in alignment too. You make your glow. You know how to glow up. You know how to shift when you want something different. It doesn't have to stay the same, and you're more positive and you're more honest and confident in making those changes. And that feels good, because for a long time you were trying, when you were back in that adjustment phase, you were just trying to figure things out. You were trying to figure it out. You were trying to blend in with it. You were trying to blend in. You were just trying to freaking get it right. You were trying to feel beautiful again, to feel whole again, to feel like the new you again. But now you understand your look. And it took you some time to get there, but now you completely understand it. And man, you and I feel that. We feel it. We all feel it. And honestly, girl, to be quite honest and truthful with you, this is usually the stage where women realize I actually look good, and not good for gray hair. That's not what I'm talking about. Not good for my age, because it's so weird when people say, you look good for your age. This is the stage where you just good. And girl, that changes something in you, something in me. Because now you're no longer trying to hold on to like who you used to be. You finally connected with who you are now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, but who you are now. And let me tell you, girl, this journey was never about copying. It was never about somebody else's look. It was all about inspiration, seeing exactly what was possible for you. And then this journey was finding the version of gray hair that just really felt right with you and for you, not anybody else. And that's the difference. Sis, if you're ready for more than a gray hair transformation, download my free Color to Confidence video series and become a GGB Chic insider. Your journey starts the moment you say yes. Because your glow up doesn't have to look like anybody else's. Your pixie, your curls, your silver streaks, your scarves, your makeup, your style, and even your softness, your edge, your uniqueness, your creativity, your boldness, your confidence, your version. And at the end of the day, that's the beauty of it. And I'm just going to be honest with you. Once you stop hiding, you start moving differently. You dress differently. You show up into the world differently. You even start speaking differently. And ultimately, you're going to carry yourself differently, because you've stopped asking, am I too old for this? And you start asking yourself, why not me? Why can't I wear that short skirt? Why can't I wear those shorts? Why can't I wear those heels? And man, right there, that's that glow up energy. And y'all, this is where people stop saying, you look good for your age, and start asking, girl, what's your secret? At some point, you finally realize that gray hair did not make you disappear. If anything, it introduced you to yourself, because this journey was never just about hair. It was about becoming. And baby, there's levels to this. So sis, go gray, not old. Gray hair was never ever the destination, but becoming you was. Peace.